Traditional credit score models range from 300 to 850. Some models may show higher or lower threshold. FICO is the most commonly used credit score model. The base FICO score range of 300 minimum to 800 maximum. However, some other models may show a lower or higher threshold. The industry-specific FICO Auto and FICO Bank Card scores are judged on scales that run from 250 minimum to 900 maximum. Also, there is more credit score model agencies. One of those is VantageScore, though not as well known as the FICO score model. It was created in the mid-2000s. As with the also, there's more credit score model agencies, though not as well known as the FICO model, but more than 8 billion of these credit scores were used from 2015 to 2016 by over 2,400 lenders. And its Vantage Credit Score. The Vantage Score model has had several variations over its lifetime, saying as FICO. For example, Vantage Score 1.0 and 2.0 models, the credit score scale ran from 501 to 900. The 3.0 scale is the same as the FICO score base scale, going from 300 to 850. As with of the FICO scales, a higher number indicates lower credit risk.